Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can download and install your 1xBet application in your phone. First, you have to go to your Chrome or your Google, then you search for www.1xbet.com. Then you will see another option that will pop in. Let's see. You will see 1xbet.com application, then you download it, you click on it. Then after clicking on it, you see download 1xBet Android iOS and mobile application, then you click on it again. After done, you can see the 1xBet spinning, preparing itself to open. So let's see what's going to happen. So you see, then you see the small spin down there, install, down the ending, you install, then you see, we're installing the application. After you are done installing the application, you go back to your phone, you press install here, then 1xBet you install, then you go back to your phone there, you search for it, you see 1xBet, the logo there, you click, then it will open, is opening, okay, then it has opened, then you see registration, you click on registration, then click on registration, there are a series of options there, one click my phone, then you go to full registration, click on full registration, for you to acquire the 200% bonus on your first deposit. So you need to click on registration, full registration. Then my first name, you input your first name, that's your surname, your father's name, right? T, as for me, my father, my surname, here goes, Tokoson. You go to your first name, you input your first name, EDMOND, as for me. Then you come to country, as for me, I'm staying in Sierra Leone, so you don't need to hurry yourself. So you come here to the next step, the third step there, country. Then for me, I'm staying in Sierra Leone. You click Sierra Leone. Then you come to region, for me, Freetown. That's where I'm staying. I click it. Then we come to date of birth. Then you click. Fine. Click on date of birth. Then you put in the date you were born. Make sure that clicking on this must be your rightful age, because tomorrow when you win big money, definitely the order you need to provide evidence for that. So currency, as for us in leons, but there are numerous options. You have pound, you have USD, but for me, I search for leons. I search for my country's currency. There are lots. You in leon, in naira, pound, euro, all that. For me, it's leons, right? So I click on Sierra Leone, leons, that's all. So we're coming down. Then we come to the eighth option. Then you have to input your email address. My email address has been input. Then a workable phone number, because a code will be sent to your phone number. Mine is 340284440. So after that you are done with that, then you come to your password. You have to enter a password that you memorize, something that you will not forget. You start with a capital letter, then you carry on whatever you wish to put. So whatever information currently on this is not something that is authentic. I'm just doing this for educational purposes. That's not my date of birth and what I stuff. Then we'll come to the important part of it. So when you come to the 12th, you have to put in my promo code, so that you will get 200% bonus on your first deposit. My promo code is TOKOSON, so that you'll be opportunity to have 200% bonus on your first deposit. Then you come to the tail end, you confirm that you have read the agreement, blah 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 blah, confirm that you are of legal. Then you click on it, then you come and click on this green correct, this white correct button here, this green one here. You click on it so that you move to the next step. Now we are to the next step. So what happened? You are done. So you have clicked on that green button, then they will send you a confirmation number in your mobile phone. That's the reason why I said you must use a phone that is workable, a number that is workable. So when you are done, you go back again, you open the application, then you fill in the information that you have put into you have put in during your registration. So your phone number that you used there back then, you place your phone number. This is my own phone number. You place your password. You put in your password. After you are done putting your password, you click on login. So you have to log in. Wow, sweet, it's wonderful. Then you click on login, let's say. Then bam, you are into 1xBet. That's simple. That's easy. So you deposit your money. You are good to go. You are good to go.